How to check activity on Snapchat. Here's how. First, open the Snapchat and click on the chat icon to access the chat screen. Your recent conversation will appear in order. An arrow below a name indicates whether a snap or message was sent or received. Now the map option lets you see your friend's last active location. Tap on the map icon at the bottom left corner. If a Bitmoji is moving, they are active. Click on the friend's Bitmoji. Here you can view details like last active time and their current location. Want to know who is checking out your stories? Select your profile icon at the top left. Under My Story, tap to see who viewed it. Swipe up on the story to check the full list of viewers. Lastly, Snapchat tracks how frequently you interact with friends. Go back and open a chat with your friends. Here, choose the friend's name at the top of the screen. Here you will see your friend's snap score, snap streaks, their birth date and zodiac sign. That's all. This is how to check activity on Snapchat.